Here's a 2007 Ford F-150. Smart enough and tough enough to stand the test of time, the F-150 is a leader at the job site. And with features like these, every drive is a pleasure. Auxiliary audio input, power windows, leather split bench seats, power mirrors, leather steering wheel, V8 engine, aluminum wheels, electronic shift on the fly, and 3 12-volt power outlets. Car and Driver reports that with the F-150's 2,900-pound maximum payload and 9,500-pound towing capacity ratings, plus a comprehensively redesigned interior that borders on town car luxury and upscale models, Ford has struck a workable compromise between comfort and utility. Ford has won over millions of loyal customers with a wide range of value-driven vehicles. If you've been waiting for the perfect time for a test drive, the time is now. Experience it today.
Elliott Auto Group. We don't do things the old way, we do them the right way. Schedule your test drive today. We're located just off I-30 on Burton Road in Mount Pleasant.